In this video, I'm going to take you through a beginner jump rope workout. Now, before you start this workout, make sure you don't have any pain in your knees, hips, lower back, or ankles that would prevent you from doing this workout safely. I also want you to make sure that you can jog for at least 5 minutes continuously before starting this workout to make sure it's the appropriate level for you. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a simple skip rope with a double cadence. So what you're going to do is keep your arms bent at 90 degrees with elbows right at your sides. You're going to go ahead and start skipping rope, popping twice with each jump, okay? So to start, we're going to go ahead and do 50 repetitions of that double skip. I want you to focus on breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth, and keep an even pace of your breathing. Let's go ahead and get started. If you miss, just go ahead and keep going. Remember to turn from your wrists and keep those arms bent. 10 more. Good, and rest. We're going to rest for about 15 seconds here just to let our heart rate come back down, and then we're going to repeat that same exercise one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's get started. Remember to keep those arms bent at 90 and just focus on turning through your wrists. You don't have to jump very high. Listen to that rope and just aim to clear it. Focusing on landing softly so someone in another room could not hear you landing. Go at your own pace here. And rest. Good work. All right. We're going to kick it up a little bit. We're going to do that same pattern of alternating feet, but now we're just going to do single jump. It's going to look like this. So you're still going to keep those arms bent at 90, but you're just going to turn that rope a little bit faster. And because this one's a little bit harder, we're just going to get 25 reps here. Let's go ahead and get started. And rest. Good work. We're going to rest about 15 seconds, and then we'll do one more set with those single skips. Go ahead and get ready here. 3, 2, and here we go. And rest. Good work. All right, take a little rest. Our next drill is going to be feet together for 2 feet hopping, and we're going to take 2 little hops per revolution of that rope. So it'll look like this. Just turning that rope at a controlled cadence. Once again, you're keeping those arms bent at 90 with that good posture, elbows out to the side, and turning from the wrist. We're going to go ahead and get started with those 50 reps here. We're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, and here we go. Go at your own pace. Remember to land on the balls of your feet. Bend those knees slightly to absorb that impact. rest. About 15 seconds here again, and we're going to repeat that one more time. Shake out those arms if you need to. Move those legs. And here we go. 2 feet, double jump. If you miss, it happens, just get started again where you left off. Focusing on that even breathing. Landing softly. And rest. Good work. All right, we're going to relax a little bit, and then I'll show you this last one that we're going to do for today. And this is just 2 feet, single jump. Just turning that rope a little bit faster, but still keeping that soft landing. I'll go ahead and show you. All right, so about 10 seconds here. We're just going to do 25 repetitions of this quick 2-foot hop. And let's get started. And rest. About 15 seconds here, and we're going to do that same exercise just one last time. 5, 3, and here we go. And rest. If you liked this beginner jump rope workout, please be sure to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.